Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to enable always on display on Google Pixel 10a. Let's have a look. For this video I am using Google Pixel 10a. To enable always on display, first open Settings app. In Settings, tap Display and Touch. Then under Lock Display, you will see Always on Display. Show time, date and more. Tap Always on Display. By default, Always on Display turned off. Simply turn on Always on Display. That's it. Always on Display enabled. Go back to Settings and close Settings app. Now go back to lock screen by pressing power button, and here you will see always on display, time, weather and battery percentage. So these are the steps to enable always on display on Google Pixel 10a. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.